Hello there. So, someone at your company has written some documents and wants you to review them because you're really cool and happen to be an expert on that subject. First of all, don't worry. This is really simple. You're going to get an automated email from MadCap Central when this person sends you something to review. Just click the link. The first time you do this, you're going to need to create a password so that you can become part of the MadCap Central license, where you'll review the documents. This doesn't mean anyone's going to try to sell you a timeshare or something dumb like that. It just makes it possible for you to review the files. Your browser will open to a page like this, and all the files that the author wants you to review will be listed here. To review a file, just click it, and it will open to the right. Then make any changes, additions, or deletions in the file. You can even add some basic formatting using these buttons. Your changes will automatically be tracked. If you want to add a comment, just highlight the relevant content or click next to it. Then click this button and type your comment in the sidebar on the right. When you're all done, click Submit, and that's it. You're done with that file, and you can select another on the left and do the same until there are no more files to review. Just a few other things real quick, though. First, when you review a file, you might notice some unusual-looking things, stuff like brackets around content or stars, maybe some content with a border around it. Don't worry about any of that. Those are things that are important only to the author. Your job is just to focus on the content, such as text and images. Second, you might come across some content that you are unable to edit. This is likely something called a snippet, which is a separate file that the author inserted into the file you're reviewing. That's why it's read-only. If the author sent that file to you separately, you'll see it with the other files on the left, and it will have an FLSNP extension. You might even see lots of these. You can open and review one of these snippet files just like any of the others. But if that author didn't send you that snippet file separately, you can just click on some content near where it was inserted, click this button, and enter a comment about that read-only content. And finally, what if you reviewed and submitted a file, but then think of something else you forgot to do in it? Well, you can click Submitted on the left and open it from there. Until the author closes out the review process, you can keep editing any of the files in this pane. You won't see a Submit button like before, but that's okay. Your edits will get in. And that's pretty much it. Now, about that timeshare. Just kidding.